Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download the Microsoft Power BI desktop app on your Windows computer. There are actually two ways to do this, and one of them is by downloading directly from the Microsoft Store and the other is by downloading on the Power BI website. I'll tell you the difference between the two and which of them I prefer the most at the end of this video. So let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do on your Windows computer, you want to open up the Microsoft Store. So you can search on the search bar, just type Microsoft Store. I have that here, so I'll just click this to open. Once your Microsoft Store is open, on your search bar, you want to look for your search bar and then search or start typing Power BI. So once I search Power BI, you're going to get a lot of options, right? What you want to click on is Power BI desktop application. So Power BI desktop app. So I'm going to select this and then it will bring you to this page, right? Now, because I already have it installed, that is why it's showing me open. But you would see a get or install. So just click on the get or install button and voila, you have Power BI desktop app on your computer. The second method is by going to Power BI microsoft.com, and then you want to click on get started, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where you have this desktop application and then download for free. Now the difference between these two methods is that with the downloading from the Microsoft Store, whenever there is a new update, there are always new updates on the Power BI application. Power BI automatically push this application directly to your laptop. But by downloading on the website, whenever there's a new update, you always have to come back to the site to download the latest update because you are downloading the current version. So when there's a new update, you always have to come back here to download the latest version.